Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to upload your project to GitHub account using the Git software. So let us start. So first of all, you need to install the Git software to your system. For this, type git download. Go with the first site, that is Git SCM. This is the official website. Here you can see the latest version is for Windows. You can simply click on it for download, and if you are using the Windows button, that is also for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So you can choose the options whatever the OS you are using now. So I have installed it already. So let's see the next process. So first here you have to create a new repository again. Click on new repository and simply give a repository name. I am giving my project name, that is resume, and click readme file and simply click on create repository button. Here you can see a new repository has been created here. After that, go to your project file. So here is my project file. That is resume. Here right click and click on show more options, and see, after installing the Git software you can see the two options here, open Git GUI here, open Git Bash here. So you have to go with the open Git Bash here. Here you need to run the commands. So the first command is git init. It is for initialization. And second command is git clone, and here you have to put the link of your new repository that you have created here. So simply click on code drop down menu, and this is HTTPS link, you have to copy it and here you have to paste. So don't use the shortcut, that is Ctrl B. Right click here and click on the paste option and hit the enter button. So see, the second command is successfully run. After that, type ls command. See here, these three files are showing. The next step is go to your project file and see, a new file is created here, that is resume. So you have to copy these three files and inside the resume folder paste these files. After that, go to your Git software and type cd and your repository name and a /. After that, see the status by typing git status command. See, these three files are here showing in the red color. Okay, so you can notice this. After that, type the command git add dash and a, capital A. The next command is here you have to configure your user email and username which is connected with your GitHub account. So you have to type the command here, which is git config double dash and global user dot email, and use the double inverted comma. Inside this put your email. So this is my email, you have to use your email. And hit the enter button. So your email is configured now. Now you have to configure your user name. So type the same command here, git config double dash global user dot name and double inverted comma. Inside this put your name. And click the enter button. So your email and username is configured now. The next command is git commit -m and double inverted comma, and here you have to put a valid input, for example initial commit or first commit. So I'm using initial commit here, and hit the enter button again. See, these three files are changed now. Okay, so see here the status. So on branch main your project is created to your GitHub account. Now the last command is git push origin main, and hit the enter button. It will take some time, so you have to wait now. See here, the process is completed and the project file is completely uploaded on your GitHub account. So let's see what are the changes in my file. So here you have to refresh your page and see here all the files included in your project folder has been uploaded here. You can see a readme file, a jpg file, background.jpg, resume.html and vks.jpg. so you can see here the code. See, so this is the simple method by using the Git software. This is some technical but not complicated, so you can use this method to push your project file to your GitHub account. So I hope this video helped you a lot to uploading your project file to your GitHub account. Thank you so much.